ye na ba me sui e na se edwa krompo e ne wo koy ase ye nto ade papa bia but wuti mu se obi a wo nche ye to ne niam ma me ka se mi kiro e mo wani mbre da bia da ye ni mbre firi wa kom e mo wani mbre wo bi ka kiro mo wani so nya wo what you see high excellent 92.1 FM I wanna put a brand new trust I want to say oh sir and ye ebia me ye krompo yakopon nim se me ye a anro bes beba me so abetutuo akume aden na wo bo ho sombo ebu ho abam sa nya dide wo radi mu ese eye dela ebe yie what you say there is a reason for everything that happens in our daily life. Don't panic. Me say enemy atamfu biara ehihye boni biara o ma hihye bia ma o ma nkasa ebebo mo papam am on fire okukuni kukuduru for me sweat to draw happy days dijimadu a na fidie mu aye hihye na haye yuni come on say DJ Sacklet e come home na just say o piepie nyum ni guru sa oh boy I'm on fire. That's right. And then me can you say and some more you ba bro and some so you ba baba and some mu na ene ho wey ene ye hwe ene ma aba omo pretending as if they love you then they start chopping your money. They pretend as if they love you and they start chopping your money. Sikarinya saya, oh you are on that sale, on no column. Enti ade pana eya manasa emo mutimi pretending as if say me do bema abese ope woni mu akoma mu pefese bema won no wo sori ana brakajo oh media me do na se he oboa bema mu wani na ope osikadi well, Mrs. Cabesha home. And my Adena Yesa Adena Yemi Mansa. One penna catches Papa Mempel she. Now I pretend this would run. Now one no. Now with Jinsikadi Saki. I'm on fire. A higher excellence 92.1 FM. Talk your mind. It's my dear Anna to assume. And Chabia, abajafo abedi o magba na mo de ye chechema ba amezi mama abetrase aja kodo so abetrase ye bia ne chese ye bie ye phone line atum mo WhatsApp messages so making can be dia ma bia ho mane tuma no bia kana dwen talk your mind. Excellence 92.1 FM. Talk your mind. And Chabia with a four abatrase. Now your bobo and semi home. A day now, a bama or baby. I pretended now would deep in my bisika. I would name what I come on Pefesi, Bema Diam and Nono, Bema Diam and Peno. A idea of Kosopa. Brag of feet, Brian. No one samrane or what or that about chair now I didn't want to choose to crack now be maso now we trima at the head no what the hell what that I don't Brenya ebo e ma no be funya nsakwan so e de agime ma nankasa hwe oba etimi sori ko eye edwa so ase a wokotodura sebe wode gu eye na akosi akuma mu a nde chese be ma bia woni nbeda bia ene o kan ya na chese odwan na wudi so aw awrade hume ma mobo wonya kan ya na chese wade he ene o kan 100 million na ho po na okoyama waka eye 500 million kra na wudi mirika gede ye what asa wadano wa you say chese bibi Jesus abada fona ba anti Cynthia wagina kunya wayo bai ye ne habeye de wakoyo bai meshani obeka that's right how on fire o sorry am dada esa mo ni mo akom so mo noye na so na mo tie sika ye ba ice cream ni enu aje ye ba shoe ni enu aje atade ni enu aje o jiwe se ho na wani mu sire fefe kama na waje ase ho na so won no what na kuma ya no di ni su akotina fie ebi kropoti wo eku ho ebi kropoti mi dane sadua I'm on fire. Talk your mind. You can't dream. High excellence 92.1 FM. Okukuni kukudru family straight to draw. Happy days. I was crying. DJ Sacred not know. Where yes, me DJ Wayad rough. Let me to miss me feeling no. I said Tokoko, I just here. Emma in Jimmy Messica. And it's a memory to me and Japan. Yes, see that woman bottom. Nobody did not my said touch. I said, you are Brunia Akoko. Brofo nansa pe wa ese totwe wonu wangasa bedi muska nyina that's right where body no oma bibia no kre remember there we are so much desperate. Etimunya kai na ani ade he ne kankan krampo ni say wode ne nsabe mfo witiri kakrakra no ne na moaso ho de we say wo yama ni ani that's right I'm on fire. Okay, Auntie Grace adina kunwa me say ene wo yo bai me di be pia na ngasa Auntie Grace, Auntie Cynthia, yeah. Empom to say you. Oh, trade up on your Copanada woman, more than Amen. Now, we are when you be here. Oh, it's our okay, yes. Mr. Engineers, motion Auntie Cynthia. When you're my knee, mammy, if you say, and then some more, back up. Okay, Auntie Cynthia.
Yes.
Said I was just ready. Ama, hey, mo voice remember. Yes. Now what the dada in the feather no. Okay. Near Eda Ejasuni. Ube Oba. So your bag. Come off a fair. I will more fee. I will now nasu coming. When you walk on prefer say, Papa, ya wabe penny, men penal. Money general. I don't love him. But no more from a defe quite so now would defe now would Jimmy Sikaide. What were you obey? A day panty and a young mama, yes, sir.
Side one. So we share them, and I propose to you. You tell the person that, oh, me I'm not in need.
Yeah, you are not interested.
Yeah, the person will be forcing you. Oh, try. So everything that the person have, you give. Everything that you ask the person, you give. In your heart, you know that anything cry, you never like him, you never love him. At the end, you just tell him that too.
So why is it that you need to be accepting his gifts? Yeah, when he gives you something, why do you accept?
Oh, that's why you give it to me, so I'll take.
No, because you know definitely that you don't love him.
So the man too, they have to know that the way this guy is doing doesn't like me, doesn't love me. They have to stop. But the moment you ask them something, they'll be running and give it to you.
You see, we call something eye catch. When my eye catch you, I have to do anything possible. I have to try as much as possible to get you.
And some too are like that. The way you are, the lady is not accepting. But the way you continue giving her some things, continue telling her sweet things, she will come and fall in love with you.
Oh, okay.
But someday, if it's in your heart that this man, I will never do anything with him. That's one day. Anything that you do to the lady, she will never accept. But she'll chop your money.
That is why I don't understand. That's why I don't understand.
Oh, it's very simple.
You know that you don't love him. Why do you have to chop his money? Oh, so you've chopped somebody's money before? Really? Why you be there now? You've done some before.
Yeah.
But for now, you've quit.
I have stopped.
You stopped.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I've stopped crying.
How?
Yeah.
Say the first question. How did you go about?
Oh, Bema be a disturbing me. Pan and you see, me I don't like you. I don't love you. So, oh, you just accept Kegebai. I don't want you to do anything for you. Just accept that I'm your girlfriend. I should work with you. Just Keke.
Just like that.
But if someone asks me, I should say that he is my boyfriend.
Okay.
And I said, no, you didn't do anything for me to be telling people that you are my something. No. Anything that I ask him, he will do. You see that, but he's forcing me. He's forcing me to. I said, no. That's one day, no way.
Okay.
But I take everything that he give me. If I ask him something, he give me. At the end, I just let the now it's nothing. That is the end.
But what do you think that makes guys so much desperate in you ladies in such a way that when you tell him that I don't love you, he still follows you?
No, you see,
is it because of beauty? Is it because the way you used to talk? Is it because the way you used to flex? The way you dress? How?
A guy can see just small thing from a lady, then you fall in love with the lady. If maybe you're walking keke, you can see you're walking, then he's disturbed. Just say on now before you can be free. Okay. Some people small thing.
Okay,
some
so
people, they don't even know beautiful. Some people beauty.
Okay, so do you think that is it mainly for affection? I'm talking about sex.
Yeah.
Is it because of that?
Sure, it's because of that.
It's because of that.
Yeah.
How sure are you?
Because a guy cannot come and propose to me, say that, oh, I love you, I want me and you to be in relationship. So can we date? Can we be dating? So we go to courtship and marriage, everything. So if a guy tell you that, a guy will not come and tell you that, so I just love you, keke.
Meaning that he mean for something.
Yeah, he mean for that, and if you are not giving that thing to him, then he will never like you again.
But I know some people, I know some guys,
Yeah.
they've dated for like about 5 years, getting to 10 years,
Yeah.
that they've never had sex.
It's there.
They are still in relationship.
Yeah.
They are still moving on.
That's,
They've decided not to have sex till they marry. So if
that's one
uh-huh.
right now. If you get a guy, then the guy proposes to you, you love the guy, and the guy also loves you. Then it's agreement. The guy will say that, oh, let's be dating, but nothing. You will not see nobody will see each other. But till the time we get into marriage.
Okay.
So that's why you see that the guy will be doing everything fast, so that you will come into marriage. But if you give yourself to the guy will not make fast to marry you.
Okay.
Because that's the thing he's looking for.
Let me ask you something.
Yeah.
Does love count for beauty?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then why is it that guy who killed to make proposal to you, why is it that you refuse to accept him, but maybe another guy will come and you will accept that guy? Why? You yourself, you know what I'm talking about.
No, it's the love. You can see a guy that is not handsome, but if you fall in love with that guy, if he proposes to you, you surely accept.
Oh really?
And sometimes it's handsomeness and beautifulness.
Oh okay.
People used to marry.
Oh, okay.
If you didn't love the person, you can't stay with the person. Maybe you'll be fighting. But if you love the person, no matter how the person do something for you, you will never get angry.
Auntie Cynthia, I don't know. Debia, you'll be fighting.
Yeah.
Talk your mind. High excellence 92.1 FM. Talk your mind to a DNA to go soon. Debia, you'll be fighting because there is no love, and I want so force on. Then I say na. Oh, the much keke. Na katra man for say oh boyfriend me. What? No juicy car. Hey, me man use be ho. And Jabia, maybe a man or two. Now so a friend, now so I come out here for semi home. Talk your mind.